I've always wondered what aliens might look like, and today, we're going on a journey to find out. Our universe is vast and full of mysteries, and one of the most intriguing questions is, are we alone? While we haven't found definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, yet, scientists have some fascinating ideas about what aliens might look like based on the environments they could inhabit. Before we dive into our alien worlds, let's set the stage. Our universe is unimaginably huge, with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. And around those stars, countless planets, each with its own unique conditions. We have creatures living in volcanic vents at the bottom of the ocean, microbes thriving in acid lakes, and organisms surviving in the driest deserts. Let's start our journey on a planet we'll call Kuiper. Kuiper orbits a red dwarf star and is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star, while the other remains in perpetual darkness. On Kuiper, plants aren't green, they're black. Why? To absorb as much of the infrared light from their dim red sun as possible. These plants form the base of a diverse ecosystem. Filter-feeding creatures sway in the perpetual twilight breeze, while camouflaged predators lurk in the shadows. Now, let's float over to our next world, Nimbus. Nimbus is a gas giant, much like Jupiter, but with a twist. It has a layer in its atmosphere where conditions are just right for life. Imagine vast colonies of floating cloud plankton, microscopic life forms that harvest energy from the sun and chemicals in the atmosphere. These form the foundation of a complex food web. Giant sky whales drift through the clouds, filtering these plankton from the air. But they're not alone. Streaking through the skies are jet squids, predators that have evolved to move swiftly through the gaseous environment, hunting the sky whales. Our final stop takes us to Monier, a moon orbiting a large gas giant. Monier's surface is cold and toxic, covered in lakes of liquid methane and ammonia. Cryovolcanoes erupt, spewing a mix of water and ammonia lava that quickly freezes on the surface, creating ever-changing ice landscapes. Life forms here might look like metallic crystalline structures that grow and change in response to the moon's strong magnetic fields. As we've seen on Kuiper, Nimbus, and Monier, life finds a way to adapt to even the most extreme conditions. Each of these worlds presents unique challenges, and hypothetical life forms have evolved fascinating solutions. From black plants absorbing infrared light to creatures floating in gas giant atmospheres to life based on ammonia chemistry, the possibilities are endless. These adaptations remind us of an important lesson. We shouldn't limit our search for life to just Earth-like conditions. The universe is far more creative than we can imagine, and life might exist in forms we've never even considered. The three worlds we've explored are just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. Our galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars, and recent discoveries suggest that most stars have planets. The sheer number of potential alien worlds out there is staggering, and each one could host life forms more bizarre and wonderful than we can imagine. As we wrap up our journey through these hypothetical alien worlds, one thing becomes clear. The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most exciting frontiers in science. Every new exoplanet we discover, every mission to Mars or the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, brings us closer to potentially answering that age-old question, are we alone in the universe? I hope this journey through alien worlds has sparked your curiosity about the potential for life beyond Earth. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure and want to explore more mind-expanding topics, don't forget to subscribe to The Curious Orbit. Hit that subscribe button now and join us on our next voyage through the wonders of science and the universe. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.